Just Google search this thing and then tap on the second link, and once it opens this, select this option and click on block deals. So here you can see the block deals happening in NSE India website and select 1 week. Okay, so here you can see the 1 week data of block deals, what the institutional or foreign investors have bought the stock. Okay, so block deals are the deals where the institution or the HNIs buys the shares which are above 5 lakh of the quantity, or purchased the minimum price value which is above the 5 crores. Okay, so here this data is very helpful for you. So see what maximum investors are quoting buy for the particular stock. Okay, so here you can see the particular stock, and here you can see the particular buy or sell orders placed. Okay, so the maximum the buy is, that means there are predicting that the stock can go up, or the maximum sell is for the same particular stock, they are predicting that the stock can go down. Okay, so this is a little trick to find out the stock for your swing trades and holding trades. Okay, and also click on my channel icon and go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational and live trading videos.